Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2019 GLS 450 4MATIC. This one's black. Underneath the hood is a 3-liter V6 twin turbo with 362 horsepower and 369 pounds of torque. This one comes with the lighting package with illuminated stars in the grille, front and rear LED daytime running lights. Also comes with the appearance package with 20-inch wheels, running boards, chrome fins on the hood, a ginger beige MB text interior, eucalyptus trim, panorama sunroof, third row seating, GLS 450 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, trailer hitch, fold down third row seats, clean set of all season floor mats, lane tracking package with active blind spot assist, active lane assist, Premium 1 package with Harman Kardon sound system, memory seats, illuminated door sills, heated steering wheel, smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, paddle shifters for extra performance, push start ignition, navigation, parking assistance package with the surround view backup camera with sensors, Parktronic, hard keys for the media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, heated and cooled cup holders, dynamic selects for different driving patterns, touchpad and wheel for the infotainment center. This GLS has 17,421 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLS 450 4MATIC, visit us at feldmannimports.com.